Vani Deaf Children Foundation was started in the year 2005 in Kolkata, West Bengal. We have worked in more than 10 states and currently our geographical footprints are in Assam, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Karnataka and Maharashtra. We follow a life cycle approach and cater to hearing impaired children from 0 to 25 years. And we follow 3 program verticals. One is the newborn hearing screening, second is the education, and third is the skill building program. One of the issues in hearing impairment in India is the issue itself gets diagnosed at a very late age. It leads to language impairment, communication issues. These children, when they are mainstreamed or go in a special school, the dropout rate increases. It leads to frustration, isolation, and finally, unemployment as well. And to cater to this problem, one of the things that is very much important is identify the problem early and hammer it. One of our program which we focus on under health is early identification of hearing loss and screening newborn babies as soon as they are born. We collaborate with government hospitals in different districts where our Vani technicians screen the babies, and at the same time, the mothers and the caregivers are counseled about ear hygiene and developmental milestone regarding hearing. Till now, we have screened 35,000 babies and counseled 35,000 mothers and caregivers. The Educational Intervention Program plays a major role in our program verticals. Here, we cater to hearing impaired children between the age of 2 to 18 years and above. Our educational program is divided into 3 segments. First is the foundational literacy, where the focus is on developing reading readiness, writing readiness, language, arithmetic skills, life skills, and here specifically training is given to parents so that they develop the right kind of capacity and skills to communicate and teach their deaf children in the home environment. The second segment after foundational literacy is the secondary education part, where the major focus is supporting the hearing impaired child to cope up with the school curriculum. Apart from that, regular training on Indian Sign Language is given to the child. There are physical activities, sports, all these things are also introduced so that a holistic development of the child happens. The third segment of our education program is the remedial teaching program along with the higher education. In remedial teaching, we basically focus on hearing impaired children from 7th standard till 10th standard onwards. Here we start preparing the hearing impaired children to cope up with subjects like science, mathematics, English, which becomes many a times difficult to comprehend. Online classes are also provided as a support to parents and to hearing impaired children who can't travel regularly to our sadhan centers. In our educational program, we have reached 20,000 plus deaf children and 40,000 plus parents. Our skill building program caters to an age group of 8 to 18 years. Here the main focus is youth transition, where we cater to hearing impaired children right from the age of 8 years and teach them the right kind of skills which will prepare them for youth. We have computer sessions where we have basic and advanced computer training. We have tailoring program and self-defense program. We have successfully reached 300 hearing impaired children who are attending regular sessions with us. As we look towards our future, Vani Deaf Children Foundation is deeply committed and we believe that we want to reach every hearing impaired child. In whatever circumstances they are, we need to reach them and provide them with the right kind of opportunities which they deserve. As we move forward, we want to expand our geographical footprints. We want to collaborate more with local organizations and government and develop our partnerships. We want to create more awareness in the community and create leaders in the community who can amplify this cause. We want to work towards advocacy and right of every deaf child. And we want to work on a sustainability approach wherein the impact and the programs that we run, the effect of that doesn't happen only for today, but for generations to come. As we go forward, we ensure and we want that all our hearing impaired children live with dignity, respect, self-resilience, confidence, and become a productive member of the society.